Hey, Charlotte.
Did you go in that one? No, that's one nice.
Okay, once again, folks, welcome to Merlin's Challenge. Before I get started, anybody having a birthday today? Anybody having a birthday? No? How about yesterday? Today's your birthday? Yeah. Awesome. Okay. Now on the count of three, everybody, I want everybody to have a happy birthday as loud as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
Awesome, folks. Fantastic. Okay, folks, again, this is Merlin's Challenge. This is the fast ride. The louder you scream for me, the faster my train's going to move. Also, please keep your hands and feet inside at all times, and let's make some noise.
Here we go.
Here we go. Okay, here we go. 3, 2, 1, scream!
You screaming, Charlotte? Whoa!
Practice right there, one real one. I don't think it would allow them. Okay, we're gonna do one more time. You gotta breathe in and real quick. Fill those lungs up, okay? Fill the lungs up. Ready? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, scream! Okay, here we go. Competition. Children. 3, 2,
Ready, Charlotte?
1, scream!